Hello everyone, welcome to my Earthkids channel. Cauliflower. Cauliflower is a good source of fiber and vitamins. It can be eaten raw or steamed, roasted and fried. Cauliflower is a flowering vegetable. It has a mild and delicate flavor. There are varieties with green and purple cauliflower. It has green stems with white flower buds. Most cauliflowers are white. It forms a single round head and capped by green leaves. It is an annual plant that reproduces by seed. The parts we eat only the flower buds. So friends, please like and share the video. Thanks for watching the video.